How to make money online with flipping bicycles. Now, when you first listen to that, you think making money flipping bicycles? Maybe I don't even own a bike. I don't even know how to ride a bike, or I haven't ridden a bike since high school or elementary or college. Okay. Well, let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, flipping bicycles is very, very lucrative. You can get a possibility return of, 200% to 700% plus in a matter of hours, if not days, if not weeks, depends on the deal. Okay. Now, I personally have done many deals where I bought a bike for $100, I sold it for $500 in 24 hours or less, sometimes in 3 hours, sometimes in 19 hours, many deals like that. And I've also done deals where I bought it and it sold 2 weeks later. Okay. So either way, I'm going to show you the secret of making money online with flipping bikes today in this video. So if you could click the like button and let me know your thoughts below. Real quick, download my free book, Real Estate Investing for Beginners, the ultimate starter guide at myrealestatedojo.com, where I teach you how to find motivated sellers, buy their homes at a deep discount, and then have the seller become your own private bank. Subject to, get it now. One more thing, if you're looking for private one-on-one help when it comes to real estate investing, then consider joining my academy where you sit down with me one-on-one. 2, you get monthly coaching. 3, you get access to my best-selling courses. 4, you get access to my video library, and then the list goes on for just $97 a month. Join me now at mrnofluff.com. Lastly, the best six-figure side hustle, bicycle flipping. Want to see how? Here's a behind-the-scene video how I did it. Go to thebestsidehustle.mrnofluff.com. Now let's get back to the content. Okay, so what is the new flip? The new flip is a revolutionary business in a PDF that teaches you how to flip bicycles. And what it does is um, the secret sauce I'm going to share with you right now is that I focus on finding motivated sellers. Again, motivated seller. I'm not dealing with Bob that just wants top dollars for his bike. I'm not dealing with Sally that wants to sell his bike higher than the fair market price. No, no, no. I'm dealing with highly motivated bike sellers. Now, I categorize motivated sellers into two camps. Camp number one, they're financially motivated, like they got to pay the light bill. Camp number two, they're emotionally motivated, like, wife says, get rid of this bike, or mom says, we don't have any more room, or life says, we got to move out of the state and, you got to get rid of this thing because it's going to go to trash. So that's what I mean by emotionally motivated, okay? So how to make money online with flipping bicycles is giving offers and finding motivated sellers and buying their bicycles at a deep, deep discount. For example, if a bike is worth $500, buying it at $100, okay? And then turning it around, selling that same exact bike for $400, okay? At a discount. Now, again, the bike is worth 500, but I sell the bike at a discount. I buy it at a deep, deep discount, and then I sell it at a discount. And the reason I sell it at a discount is because I want to place my bike below every other bike that's compatible to mine. So I induce the buyers to buy my bike versus someone else's bike so I can sell it really fast, okay? Because I'm not too greedy. I'm gonna already make, let's say, $400 when I bought the bike for 100 and the bike was worth 500, so I'm creating a win-win situation. Now, some of you may be asking, well, Mike, why didn't the original seller sell it for 500 bucks? Okay, well, many different factors. One of the first factors is that most sellers do not take good pictures of their bicycles. They take actual horrible pictures of their bicycle, and their bicycles doesn't sell. 2, most sellers don't write a really good description that explains all the benefits and the features of the bike to the potential buyers, which I do. And in my book, I actually make it a copy and paste where you can use my same offer letters that I give to sellers, so you can copy my same ads that I put that actually sells my bike super fast, what I call warp speed, okay? Now, the question is how to make money online with flipping bicycles. Simple. I buy it at a deep discount, I sell it at a discount, and I create a win-win situation. Now, why wouldn't the original seller able to sell it for the original price what I'm selling it for? Number one is bad pictures. Number two, bad description. Number three, they usually price it above the fair market value, right? And so all I do is, once the seller tries to sell it for more expensive than the fair market value, or they have bad description or bad uh, pricing or bad images, and sometimes the seller doesn't even know the value of it. Sometimes the seller don't even care. I've dealt with some rich people that don't even care. I've dealt with people that are moving and they got to throw it in a dumpster or just want somebody to pick it up for 100 is better than nothing. So there's many different reasons. My job is what I realized being entrepreneur all my life, never having a job, is not to focus on all the negativity why they would think about that. My job is to focus on how to make my dreams come true, and that's what I'm trying to explain to you. So if you're thinking about why would that original seller, you're already in the wrong stage because you're putting all your life energy into negativity versus solving problems. But I explain right now a couple of reasons why the seller can sell it, because I'm going to do those things to sell it. For example, the only thing I do when I buy a bike is I take amazing pictures of it, I wash it really good, and I write a great description of it, right? Because a lot of people don't even wash their bike. They're trying to sell it, they don't even wash it. It looks all nasty. Even though it's a beautiful bike, it's just been sitting in the garage for, let's say, 2 years, 3 years, and it looks all spider web and ugly, and it's not washed. So, I wash it, take amazing pictures, I write an amazing copy and paste ads that I have for you. You can download, and I put it on the same place that the seller originally put it on, and I ended up selling it because those reasons I just explained. Okay. So I've not only done this one time, 2 times, 10 times, 100 times, so many that I've created a system that I've sold books and other people are doing it. And I know for a fact they're doing it is because if you buy the book, I'll give you a lifetime support, one-on-one coaching. I'll watch over your shoulder and answer every and all your questions because I want you to win. Okay. And I love to see all these people making money off this idea that I birthed. And this is just an amazing way for people to make money online with flipping bicycles with just $100. And I'm just sharing it with everyone. Okay. Yeah, it costs, just a little pennies, but you can make it on your very first deal. Okay. In this business, all you need is an internet, a phone or a laptop or iPad, and just $100. That's it. Now, there's a lot of deals I've done with $20. Other students done deals with $40, $75. But I just say be on the safe side. Have $100 so you can, get a good deal. Uh, the average return on these deals is at the minimum that I've never seen anyone make less than 200%. But again, there's a possibility you can lose your $100. Okay, any business venture is going to have a risk, but again, it's better to lose $100 versus borrowing $100,000 to start a franchise and going bankrupt, or getting into debt to start a business and going bankrupt, or borrowing money from hard money lender to do a fix and flip and going bankrupt. So as you can see, you're only risking $100, which is a good amount of money, but not life saving or life changing money. But you can turn it and give birth to it by using my new flip to make it into a life-changing money by throwing your $100 to 10,000 to 50,000 to 100,000 by keep flipping bicycles. It's very, very lucrative, and it's very fast and very, very simple if you have all the stuff set for you. The blueprint where I give you my offer letters, I give you video training, I give you my manuals, just a copy and paste. Plus, then I give you lifetime one-on-one coaching on Facebook groups, and I answer every and all your questions because I am so confident that the system works, and I really truly want to help you win. I really truly want to help you win. When you win, I feel warm inside, and what else can I say? When I feel good inside, I can create. And I believe that creativity, imagination, love is more powerful than money or FICO score or debt. And that's why I don't borrow money from banks, and I try to, teach other entrepreneurs how to beat their dreams where they start. Stand where you start. That's my motto. That's my saying. Start where you stand means that, whatever you got, you start there and you close your eyes and you imagine and you make things happen for yourself. All right, gang. So if you enjoyed this, please join me. Please download my book, because I really want to meet you and I really want to see you succeed. And I love to do that at thenewflip.com. And I see you on the Facebook support group, and I'll be happy to answer every and all your questions and watch you grow, turn your $100 into whatever your dreams are. If it's flipping houses, if it's opening multiple bicycle shops, or whatever it is, I want to see you grow. Thank you so much. Please hit the like button. Don't take no for an answer. Always remember, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you ever imagined. Peace.